Okay, welcome back to WP Speeder. It's Zach again. So in the last video with Imagify, you saw that there were a couple errors on the optimization of the images that I had in my media library with Imagify. And I just wanted to talk about that for a real quick second and say that I went back in to my media library, and Imagify has a real nice feature that when you show your images in list view, you can optimize each image by itself. So I went through and found the ones that had the errors on them and just clicked the optimize button next to each one, and they fully optimized when I did that. And just to show you here, we're at GT metrics again. I'm gonna go ahead and enter in my website again here, wpspeeder.com. I'm going to analyze it. And you can see here that the total page size has gone down 799 kilobytes, and we can scroll down here and optimize images. You scored 100% on this recommendation, nothing to do here. So we are good to go on the images. Okay, so now that you see that, I just want to show you another way to optimize images, and that is by using Photoshop. So right here I have Photoshop, and it is this version is Photoshop CS6, which is a standalone program on my computer. They moved, I think it was a year ago, to Creative Cloud, which is Photoshop Creative Cloud. Basically, it's Photoshop on the cloud now. There is no standalone computer version anymore. So you sign up for their Creative Cloud service and you can access Photoshop from anywhere in any computer that has internet connection. It's pretty convenient, and it works just like this one. So here I have an image that is already loaded, but it's not optimized at all. It's a giant image, but I just want to say that it's really easy to optimize images in Photoshop before you even upload them to your media library in WordPress. All you have to do is